everybody, welcome back to the shop. I'm going to install some rear outside mirrors on my little Polaris here. I use this around the shop here. But anyway, let me show you what I ordered. I ordered a set of these outside mirrors here. These are EMP, Extreme Products, Off-Road Accessories. These are the mirrors. There is a left and a right, and they send a couple of these brackets with it, and there is a left and right on it because there's the contour of this, the round and the flat edge down here. You got a round and a flat edge down on this mirror, so I'm assuming that's a left and a right. And they bolt up right here, these T40 bits, and I'm assuming there was no instructions, so I am assuming that them go maybe mount behind that. Mount behind it, I guess. Anyway, we'll buzz these out and go from there. Just kind of setting this up here and make sure that's going to work, and I believe it is. So if I'm doing this wrong and somebody's done it, comment below. But this looks like how it should be anyway. I'm going to get them tightened up. And if it's not too much to take it apart and redo it. I guess I can mount it up however I want. Mine. Gray tape that sucker on there. Okay. I guess that mounts right on that. Okay, they sent all these long bolts and nuts and washers here. I'm assuming that's for a different application. I think all we need are these black bolts and washers and these two nuts here. The other side's over there. And we're just going to mount it up right here. Let's do that. So I'm assuming these bolts have to go in through here. And then we put the washer and nut on the outside here. Boy, it contacts that mirror a little bit. Well, if you tilt the mirror out, it doesn't contact it very well, but if you tilt it in, it contacts this, I'm not doing this right. Contacts this base here when that's in like this, but if you tilt it out some, it doesn't contact it. There's no way to get this bolt through that way without taking this probably taking this base apart. I guess it's got a washer. Gotta go in here probably. Put the washer out on the outside of that. Still contacts it. Even if that was inside here, it's still going to contact that. Which I don't think that's going to matter. A washer in it. This might be tricky, getting this nut on. Probably need to get a pair of needle nose pliers to hold that nut. Trying to slide that nut in there. It'll go. We'll just have to spin it on, work it around like that. This one would have to go the opposite way, I think. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. No, it will go in like that. Washer. Now that washer is not going to work. I'm doing something wrong. I'm mounting this up wrong somehow. Because the boat has a kind of a flared washer type deal. Maybe it doesn't take the washer where the nut is. Drop it. Take this one back off, put that washer behind that, My goodness. That will give a little more room to get this nut in here also. $10mm. This nut's not a 10. Maybe that's an 11. Let's see. Yep, that is an 11 there. Let's just snug this down a little bit. Look at it. I mean, I guess that would work. What would be better if that nut went through here this way, or the bolt went through this direction. But it will not go unless we took this base off, and this, or the pedestal part of the mirror from the base. I guess that'll work. Tighten that up real good. And this also has a 10mm underneath this base that you can tighten the tension up on this. That's a good thing. I like that. And I don't think that's going to matter if that it still pivots a little bit on the side here, and it will contact it right there. It'll still fold up if we need to. We'll just go ahead and tighten this down. This also will have a little adjustment inside this, between this bracket and this base, if you need to swivel it anymore. You should be able to do all that from here. Right side's going here. Tighten it down. There we go. Let me stick that other side on now. On a side note, best way to mount one of these slow moving vehicle signs on these Rangers, they got these little pockets in them all the way around. That's just a 1-inch PVC pipe. You take it out when you don't need it and stick it back in. It also doubles as a personal protection device. And it doesn't rattle. It doesn't make any noise. Anyway. Okay, there we go. Got that one on. All in all, I like them. Turned out pretty good. Let's see here. Yep, it turned out pretty good. Just need to adjust on them a little bit, probably get them where I need to be. And check out this Maverick. This is a clean, sharp little Maverick. Interior's nice. Solid car. Just doing a little head work on it here. Rick is. I'm not, but Rick is. Yep, pretty nice little car. Anyway, don't pay attention to the shop. It's dirty. We've been so busy, man. We've been slammed with work. Oh, slammed. Been trying to get everything put out. I think the golf carts worked on, and diesels and everything else. Got a little old, this is an old, like mid-80s, 85 model golf cart. This has been sitting here for about 3 weeks, but I need a cylinder and piston for it. Piston broke on it. But this is what I like to use. This is mine. This is what I like to use to pull vehicles in with, because it's so short wheel based and everything. I need to get it going. Anyway, got a ton of work sitting around here. Ton of work sitting up front. Need to mow the yard. Need to mow everything. Can't get to anything. Yamaha sitting back in here that needs to be worked on. And out back, I don't even know what's out back here. Well, kind of getting them wiped out back here. Looking better. It was so stacked up so bad you couldn't even drive through here just a couple of weeks ago. But anyway, it is what it is.